ready for the gas. Ooni 3. Another lovely day for gas. Got the gas on full and I've got my pizza ready. So I've got it on full right now. Oh, and the back is perfect actually, I think. No, I'm not going to turn it down. I'm going to go for it. Yeah. Let's go for it. Push it up a bit closer. So the gas is on full. I've kept it on full to get crispy. So, see, there's that dodgy bit of dough I showed you earlier. Oh, I think this is better because it's not burning my top doing it this. Oh my gosh, these birds are so loud. They're having like an argument. Wow. With the peel. This is better. I feel like this is better. I'm giving it a bit of a cook now. Not too much. And putting the safeguard on top just to get the crust done. That's better. A little bit there. Burn it. Yep. I've added some parmesan to the top to finish off. I remember when I first started cooking with Uni 3, my base was never cooked. I didn't have it hot enough. You can see in my early videos if you've watched any. My base was absolutely not good. Right, so I'm just going to try that. It's 24-hour room-proof dough again. It shows that cooking with a gas, if I hadn't put the peel over the top of the pizza on the full option, then it would definitely have singed my tomato sauce on the top at the edge of the crust, like it did with my meatball pizza on my first attempt. So I didn't want that to happen again. See that bit there? That always goes first, that edge there always seems to take the brunt of it. So putting the peel on top saved it. It took me two cooks to get used to the gas again. Is the gas easier than the wood? I think it's easier to light. I'm not sure if it's easier to cook with. It takes longer, and with the Uni 3 it is lower, so there is the risk of burning at the top if you've got it on full. So this is really tasty. I'm going to give this bit a bite because it looks really nice. It is very nice, very flavourful, very salty, and anchovies are. Try that bit as well. Very nice.